Hi everyone, my name is Abel Gray Cantoma from GREYTEST Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm going to be showing you how to insert your room tags, okay? In your Revit. So let's jump right into it. I will click on room, but before I do that, I will have to do some separation. You can see this is staircase area, this is kitchen, this is the sit out, I think this is the store, this is a visitor's toilet, and then this is the main living area. Then we have the entrance, okay? So all I need to do now is to use my room separator. It's very important that you separate this. If I don't separate this, let me show you what will happen. If I click on room, hold on, it's loading in the background. So if I drop this here, before dropping it, you will realize that it has highlighted some portions that I don't want this to highlight. So if I drop this now, you will realize that it has captured the staircase area and the living room area as one particular room, which is not what I want to do. This one is captured perfectly. Other ones will be captured perfectly. Like this one, I can't even insert here until I introduce that separator. So I will have to separate this first. So let me do that. I will delete this. Delete. Alright, so I've deleted that. All I need to do is use my separator to separate this. So this room is going to be separated here, and then I will have another one separated here, because this is going to be just a lobby. This is going to be the toilet. This is going to be a sit out, because there is no wall here. There's no wall here, so the software will not be able to recognize this area. So by separating it now, I can simply insert. So I've done all that. I will have to separate this as well. So there are two ways to do this. You can simply use the automatic, and you can manually place them on each room. So if I click on my room here and I click on place rooms automatically, once I click, I don't even have to click, automatically all the rooms will be inserted. You can see, so they are all inserted automatically. But then what if I don't want these numbers that are showing? Although you can number them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. But however, you may probably not want it that way. I'm going to show you that I will use my Ctrl Z to undo what I have done. But I'm going to leave the room separator, and let's say I click on my room. A properties menu for this room will actually come up. You can see it by the left hand side of my screen. If I click on this drop down menu here, you will see tag with area, tag with volume. So if I tag with area, for example, and I click on place room, automatically is going to tag each of these rooms with their area in terms of the length times the breadth. Okay, so if this is what you want, you can leave it as it is. But if this is not what you want, you can simply probably use tag with You can use tag with volume. It's similar. This time around is going to consider the length, the breadth, and then the height of the room. Okay, so if I click on place automatically we are going to see all our informations in volume. So you can see this is basically what I am going to have. So I will still use the Ctrl Z. However, I don't want to show the area, and I don't want to show the volume, and I also don't want to show the number, for example. And once I click on my room, once this menu comes up for me, I can come to edit type. So if I come to edit type, always duplicate this. Okay, so I will just backspace this. I will just leave it as room tag. Okay, and I'll click on OK. This time around, okay, there is one that is existing, room tag. Okay, let's say room tag new. Now I'm going to uncheck the volume, I'm going to uncheck the number, and I will click on apply. Now if I click on place rooms automatically, you can see everything has been created without those numbers here. So this is one way to achieve this. So all you need to do to edit this is just to simply double click on it and name it whatever you want to give it. So this is living room, and you can name this staircase. So it's very interesting, as you can see for yourself. So you can go as far as doing some deeper editing to this your rooms. You can see you can edit, it allows you to do some deeper edition on your tags. It's still loading in the background. All right, so you can see you can simply adjust any of this, but as you know, we have removed them from our tags, so this and this are no longer showing. But however, I can shift any of this, you know, upward, shift it backward. That's if the spacing I'm having between the room name and the number or the volume is actually too much, too high rather, I can simply I can remove the room names to centralize them however I want to. So once you are done with any of this, you can just simply close this. Okay, so and make sure you save it by giving it a name. You can just give it a name. Okay, and save. Just close that, and let's come back to our model itself. So this is simply how to come about your tags. Okay, so if you want to really tag all this can be done easier and faster by using the automatic. Okay, so for all of this that is not well centralized, we can simply move them to the center. These names can be shifted exactly, so we can just simply move all of these in order for you to centralize this. So I will rename this to be store. this is, I'm going to move this to the center as well. I think I shifted the wall itself. Now we rename this to toilet bathroom, and then this one, make sure you are not picking the wall itself, you are picking the tag, not the wall. Right, so I rename this also as lobby. So this is kitchen, and then this is a sit out. Right, so if you love what you're seeing, just like this video and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, so I will see you in the next episode. Make sure you stay safe and stay blessed.